You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, mud guards, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.